Today I'm going to show you how to change out a brake light on a 2008 Ford Fusion. So you're going to open the trunk, going to come in here, just going to pull this out of the way, change out the brake light, just go counterclockwise, pull out, and you'll have your bulb. If you want to inspect it, you can do that. If it's dark anywhere, it's an indication that it's burnt out. If you see any of the filaments in there, they would be broken if they're burnt out. So I'm going to just show you how to change this. I would always recommend using gloves not to get the oil from your skin onto any bulbs, especially when you're putting a new bulb in, because they do tend to fail prematurely just because of like hot and cold spots. It's the oil, especially if you have a halogen bulb, which I don't believe this is, but typically on headlights, if they're halogen, if you get grease or anything on them, they'll pop very quickly. So as a good practice, always wear gloves. You're going to take your bulb. You're going to just lightly bring it up. When you get your new bulb, what you're going to want to do, same thing in reverse. Just take this, push it back in. Once it snaps in, you're good. You'll notice that there's 3 parts on there. So once you push this back in, you're going to feel it go in. You're going to go clockwise, and you're good, and you're secure. All you would do is then put this back underneath the plastic. You just replace that. You can see the bulb is back in there. And that's how you replace your tail brake light.